Welcome back. In the demonstration that Caitlin just showed you with building the heart, we have a heart model that you can use to help show your kids a more in-depth demonstration. I'm just going to walk you through the steps of setting this up. As you can see, I have my gloves on. As I was reading the directions, it says that this little packet that comes with it, it's a little dye. It's got powder dye in it, and it can stain your skin. So it said make sure that you wear gloves and wash your hands and everything very good afterwards if it gets on your skin or clothes. So it says get 75 milliliters of water. It can hold up to 120, but 75 is what it recommends. So we have 75 milliliters of water, and I'm going to cut open this little packet with my scissors and get as much of this little red dye in there that I can. Okay. And then you just kind of swirl it around a little bit, and it mixes very nicely. And then what you're going to do is there's a little hand pump that comes along with this. I'll set that a little closer so you can see it. And in this hand pump, you can just take this off, take the pump part off, and it has a little area right here. And all you're going to do is you're going to take your beaker with your water in it, and you're going to pour it very carefully. I wonder if I should, you could probably use a funnel. One of our funnels may work. You want to grab one of those funnels for me? It didn't say use a funnel, but we have one that would fit, and you're actually going to get one of those so that would be something you could use. Let's see if it will fit in this. Nope, but that's okay. Let's pour this in there. Okay, so what you're going to do is in this little hand pump that came off of this, you're going to pour the water into this little hole. I actually have a funnel that fits here. If you don't have that, it's fine because the opening is pretty wide enough for you to do. But you're just going to pour the water into that little bulb. That's simple. And then I'm going to take this off. And then I'm going to put this back on. Make sure it's on good. And if you left any, you can wipe any of that off. But I think we did pretty good there. Okay, and then what you should just be able to do is squeeze it. And it's going to start filling up in the heart. And you can see it come through. It's filling up. And then when you let go of the bulb, it circulates through. Then you can squeeze it like a heart would pump. And you can see as it comes through, the oxygen-rich blood stays red, and the one that is coming back into the heart is blue because it doesn't have as much oxygen in it. And you can see how it pumps. And there's a little tube in the back that when you can leave it set up like this, it recommends that you put distilled water in there, so you can leave it set up so that you can pump the water through it, or you can drain it out back here in the back of this. And there's a little directions on the back that tell you what you can tell your students about the left side of the heart and the right side, the left side and the right side here, where the oxygen-rich blood comes from, and then the oxygen-poor blood returning to your heart. So this is also a great way of demonstrating how the blood flows to your heart that you can also lead up with your students after building the heart model that Caitlin just showed you.